Hey guys, in this video we are going to checking out top 5 best drone review in the market. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the link in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay update latest technology review. So let's get started. Number 5. GT50 MODE2 Drone. This drone is lightweight, about 183.5 grams, and takeoff weight is under 250 grams, which can make it easier for beginners in many places. It's made of plastic, but it feels fine for casual flying and learning. The biggest highlight is the remote controller with a built-in screen, so you don't need to mount your phone every time. It supports Wi-Fi FPV and claims 5G transmission, which should give a smoother live view compared to basic 2.4G only drones. It's advertised as 8K, but with budget drones, real-world results usually look closer to HD quality depending on lighting and stability. The cool part is the 180 degrees rotating camera, meaning you can tilt and change angles without landing, great for quick shots and creative views. Flight time is listed around 10 to 20 minutes, and the drone uses a 7.4-volt 1300 mAh battery. Control range is about 120 meters, which is normal for this category. Brushless motors help with smoother flight and better durability. It also includes fun features like airdrop, so you can drop small lightweight items for surprise moments. Just do it safely in an open area. Overall, the GT50 YL059 is a good beginner drone if you want a screen remote, a rotating camera, and basic GPS features without spending too much. Number 4. Aliexpress GT50 PRO Drone. This drone is super light at only 183 grams, so it's easy to carry, and in many countries it avoids the 250G registration category. It's also foldable, so it fits nicely in a small bag. Build quality feels like a budget drone but decent for the price. The GT50 Pro advertises a 4K HD front camera with an adjustable 90-degree angle using the transmitter. It also has EIS electronic image stabilization, which helps reduce shake, especially in calm weather. This is Wi-Fi FPV, so video quality and smoothness depend a lot on signal and lighting. Since it doesn't have GPS, stability comes from altitude hold plus optical flow positioning, which works best outdoors in good light or in open areas with visible ground texture. Flight time is about 20 minutes and the control range is around 100 meters, while Wi-Fi video feed is usually 30 to 50 meters. You get fun features like gesture photos and videos, waypoint route drawing in the app, headless mode, and basic auto flight functions. Obstacle avoidance is listed as visual avoidance, but I'd still fly carefully, especially near trees or wires. Overall, the Aliexpress GT50 Pro is a solid beginner-friendly budget drone for casual flying and basic aerial shots. Just don't expect cinematic, pro-level footage. Number 3. Aliexpress K19 MAX Drone. The drone is foldable, lightweight, and weighs around 216 grams, which makes it easy to carry. It has a clean design, but keep in mind this is a cheap GPS drone, so build quality feels more like a toy than a premium drone. It's advertised with 8K image resolution, but for video it's more realistic to expect HD to 4K range depending on the mode. It supports FPV flying, panoramic shots, and even claims 60 frames per second, which sounds great on paper. It also includes electronic image stabilization and a 2-axis gimbal, so footage can be smoother than basic drones, but don't expect DJI level stability. Flight time is rated around 25 minutes and it uses a 2200 mAh battery with GPS plus optical flow positioning. It can hover better than standard toy drones. It also supports one-key return and the remote distance is claimed up to a few kilometers. Real-world range will usually be less depending on interference. One cool feature is 360-degree laser obstacle avoidance, which helps avoid crashing indoors or near trees, and this drone also supports an airdrop function, which is fun for gifts or small items. Just don't use it in unsafe areas. Overall, the K19 MAX is a good option if you want a cheap GPS drone with fun features, but if you want true cinematic quality, you'll need a higher-end model. Number 2. MODE2 Drone. The Atom 2 weighs around 245 grams, so it's easy to carry and travel-friendly. Since it's under 249 grams in many places, it's also easier to fly with fewer registration hassles. The build is simple, clean, and ready to go right out of the box. This drone is all about the camera. You get 4K UHD HDR video at 30 frames per second, 48 megapixel photos with an 8K photo mode for extra detail. It also supports vertical shooting, which is perfect for TikTok, Reels, and Shorts, and with the 3-axis gimbal, footage stays smooth even when you're moving. There's a lot to love: AI tracking, AI-enhanced night shots, and quick cinematic modes like panorama, slow motion, quick shots, and dolly zoom. It also has 4x digital zoom, which helps when you can't fly too close. It also Potensic claims up to 10 kilometers of transmission range, and flight time is around 20 to 30 minutes depending on conditions. It also has 5-level wind resistance, which helps keep it stable outdoors. So overall, the Potensic Atom 2 is a strong option for beginners and content creators who want smooth 4K HDR, vertical video, and smart AI features in a lightweight package. Number 1. SUD's L600 PRO MAX Drone. The L600 PRO MAX comes with a foldable design, making it compact and easy to carry. It weighs under 300 grams, so it's lightweight but still feels solid. The brushless motors ensure stable and quiet flights, even in light wind. This drone features a 3-axis gimbal combined with electronic image stabilization, delivering smooth and shake-free footage. It supports 4K video recording and up to 8K photo resolution through the app. The wide-angle camera and FPV mode make it great for aerial photography and travel shots. It also GPS positioning, altitude hold, and optical flow localization. Flying this drone is very beginner-friendly. You get up to 25 to 28 minutes of flight time, and the control range can reach up to 5 kilometers in ideal conditions. One standout feature is the 360-degree laser obstacle avoidance, helping the drone detect obstacles up to 20 meters away. It also supports one-key return, follow mode, and waypoint flight through the app. Overall, the L600 PRO MAX is a powerful drone with premium features like a 3-axis gimbal, GPS, laser obstacle avoidance, and long flight time, perfect for beginners and hobbyists alike.